everyone, my name is Yeti. I'm in class 2Q1. Today I will read the text, Amazing Animals. All animals can breathe and move, but they are different in many amazing ways. Here we look at how they are the same and how they are different. This helps us put them into groups. Birds. All birds have 2 legs, 2 wings and feathers, and most birds can fly. The wings and feathers help them fly, and the feathers help keep them warm. Birds lay eggs with hard shells. They keep the baby birds inside safe from animals that want to eat them. Fish. Fish have gills to help them breathe in the water. Scales are over their bodies, help keep them safe from dangerous fish that want to bite them. They don't have legs, but their fins and tails help them swim. Birds lay their eggs in water, and their eggs are soft. Amphibians. Amphibians are very interesting because they can live on land and in water. Amphibians need to have wet skin, so they live in wet places. They lay their soft eggs in water. They have gills when they are young, and the gills help them breathe in water. Most amphibians, like frogs, have legs that help them walk and jump on land. Some mammals live on land and some live in water. Whales are water mammals, and cats, rabbits, and lions are land mammals. Hair or fur covers most plant mammals' bodies, and this helps keep them warm. People are mammals too. Mammals don't lay eggs. Their baby drinks milk from their mother. That's all. Goodbye.